So SoundHound got crushed today, falling over 18% after a bad earnings report. I went over the earnings report yesterday, so please go watch my previous video, and while you're at it, like and subscribe to get daily SoundHound updates. In this video, I'll go over today's price action and how it could have been a lot worse, my forecast for SoundHound stock price over the next few days and weeks, and finally my game plan. What am I doing with my SoundHound shares? Before we begin, most of you are not subscribed yet, so please hit that like and subscribe button to get instant updates when I post SoundHound videos. And also, I'm not a financial advisor, so take all my content with a grain of salt and seek professional financial advice if you need to. So in my last video, I said I wanted to see SoundHound ending the day above $6, and guess what? That is what we got. Although above $7 would have been ideal, I'm just happy to see SoundHound found some support at the $6 level, not only at the open where it started rallying immediately, but also at the end when traders started taking profits and getting up before the weekend. So all in all, it was a positive day for SoundHound in my opinion, even though it ended down nearly 20%. Today's price action just looked like scared money and paper hands exiting SoundHound rather than a demoralizing breakdown in the share price where everyone ran for the exit. If we zoom out to the daily chart, we can see that clearly the bullish trend is still intact. Another thing to note is that today's volume was less than all the positive volume days this week, which is a bullish sign. Zooming out to the weekly chart, we can see that SoundHound is trying to make a remarkable recovery to get back to its IPO price, and if it keeps going at this rate, it will probably get there. Which leads me to my forecasts. I think next week will be a lot quieter than this week, and that's good because I want to see SoundHound settle down and consolidate before it moves higher. A consolidation gives more time for the hodlers to accumulate more shares and provides a sustainable pathway to higher prices. Stocks are not like elevators. They don't go straight up and down. They are more like stairs in that they go up and flatten out before the next step up. I think the flat part of the stairs is where we are at now with SoundHound. Therefore, I think we will see a few days or even weeks of consolidation where the price sort of bounces around $6.50 and $5.50. I also expect to see reduced volume and volatility. These are common traits of a consolidation. Which brings me to my final point, my game plan. What am I doing with my shares? So if I expect SoundHound to consolidate and not do too much, am I selling my shares and coming back when it's ready to rally again? Heck no. I'm not letting my shares go unless there's a very good reason to sell them. The thing with hype stocks like SoundHound is that you just don't know when it's going to make its next move. I don't like to trade in and out of my positions because I'm not a day trader. I firmly believe that money in stocks is made by staying in positions until the market gives me reason to sell. My initial price target of $12 still stands, and who knows when that will be reached, if at all, but I'm willing to wait because I'm invested in other stocks. If you saw my video yesterday, I mentioned how I purchased another AI hype stock called Big Bear AI. Even though it got dumped hard at the close today, it was up more than 20% at one stage, and I think it might be the next SoundHound. I'll post a video on it today, so please like and subscribe to get notifications when I post it. So back to SoundHound. I'm still holding my shares. I'm not buying or selling. I think this week's price action was very positive. Let me know in the comments below what you're doing with your shares, because it's always interesting to see what other people are doing. Alright, see you guys in the next video and have a good weekend.